So let's get started. Human beings are dependent on the environment. We all know about it. To grow food, build homes, develop better means of transport and communication, human beings have modified the environment. So we take the resources from the environment to develop the things. Next is settlements. Settlements are places where people build their homes. There are various types of settlements. Okay, the settlements earlier grew near the river valleys as water easily available and the land was fertile, like near Sindhu river, etc. Okay. Then settlements can be permanent or temporary. Settlements which are occupied for a shorter time is called as temporary settlement, and which is for longer time is called permanent. In permanent settlements, people build homes to live in. Settlements can be rural or urban. Rural settlements can be compact or scattered. People in rural area practice agriculture. In urban area, people are mostly engaged in services. Next, transport. Transport is means by which people and goods move. With the invention of wheel, transport become easier. Earlier, donkeys, mules, bullocks, and camels were used for the transportation. Nowadays, they are not used so much. Earlier, traders look land route or sea route for transportation. Now, it takes only 6 to 8 hours to travel from India to Europe. But it has many cons. The four major means of transports are roadways, railways, waterways, and airways. So we are looking for uh, roadways, railways, waterways, and airways. So first is roadways. The most commonly used means of transport, especially for short distance, are roads. They can be metalled or unmetalled. Next is railways. The railways carry heavy goods and people over long distance quickly and economically. The invention of steam engine and industrial revolution helped in speedy development of rail transport. Diesel and electric engine have largely replaced the steam engine, and now superfast trains have been introduced to make traveling faster. Okay. Next, Indian Railways network is the largest in Asia. Next point is waterways. Waterways are the cheapest for carrying heavy and bulky goods over long distance. There are mainly two types of routes: inland waterways and sea routes. Navigable rivers and lakes are used as inland waterways, and sea routes are connected through ports. Okay. The next is airways. It is the fastest means of transport developed in the early 20th century. It is the only mode of transport to reach the most remote and distant areas, especially where there are no roads and railways. Some major airports in the world are Delhi, Mumbai, New York, London, etc. etc. The next is communication. Communication is a process of conveying messages to others. Different modes of communication are used to provide information, to educate, as well as to entertain. Through newspaper, radio, television, we can communicate with a large number of people. They are therefore called as mass media. Okay. Then satellite, internet, wireless telephones